What's going on, guys? It's Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income, and today you already know what it is. I'm about to do an update video on Arbistar. I did a video a couple weeks ago. If you guys haven't checked that video out, definitely go over there and go check it out. Go to my channel. You already know we're going to keep it 100% real over here. We're going to let you know what we doing and what we got going on. For all my subscribers, you already know how we get down on this channel, so you better get prepared for this ride. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get all the updates on all the videos that I'm doing. And if you like the content that I will be giving to you today, smash that like button. Hell, if you don't like it, smash the thumb down. You know, it is what it is. But here we are. We're talking about Arbistar. This thing right here, to me, my opinion, what I'm doing, I'm not your financial advisor. I can't tell you how to spend your money, nor will I. So I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing and how I'm growing and multiplying my cryptocurrency. So if this is something you want to get involved, you know I'm gonna leave that link down below. So you definitely come over here and check this out. But all right, let's dive right into it. With this Arbistar, it is a bot, okay? Now, I know we've been dealing with a whole bunch of bots out there, dealing with a whole bunch of these different programs, and all these different programs, they scamming out left and right. Of course, we've all been a part of them. I've been a part of them and seen them. And, you know, sometimes you just kind of get sick and tired of being sick and tired. You want something else. You want something that's going to last longevity, okay? But as I say, anything that we do is risky in this field, so you always have to keep that in the back of your mind. But in my opinion, I feel like this thing is gonna run away, and that's just what it is with me. I mean, but I got my money invested, so I'm in it, so I'm doing what I'm gonna do. So if you guys want to check it out, definitely come on over here to check it out. It's definitely free to sign up, so you can come over here and see what this platform is all about. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts real quick. I'm gonna kind of fly through this thing. I don't want to make this video too long because a lot of the crypto people are gonna understand where I'm coming from as soon as I put this out. All right, now if you guys want to get in this, I'm telling you, the reason what caused me to get into this platform is because look at the ROIs. All right, look at the ROIs. Today they paid out 0.94%. Okay, now the ROIs, I know we're used to 1%, 2%, 3%, 10%, all of that, right? But by these lower ROIs, in my opinion, that's going to help the platform stay sustainable longer. Okay, and that's just my opinion. You might have your own opinions on what you want to do and however you want to do that. All right, but just in my opinion, with these lower ROIs, okay, yeah, we're not going to be getting paid out a big lump sum of cryptocurrency every day or Bitcoin every day. I get that. That's fine with me. This is something that I can just let roll in the background. Don't have to really do too much. Talk about it here and there. Let everybody know my updates, my progress and stuff like that. And just grow it, okay? I mean, if you're in all these other different platforms that you have going on or whatever, the ideal main thing is to say go in whatever and build this thing up as quickly as possible as you can. So if you're making you know $200 or $300 in another platform a week, why not take $50 out of that platform and put over here to build this and let it run in the bot for you, okay? Because this is a real bot. This isn't those hoopla bots that you can get and just say, okay, well, oh, they have an AI bot, this, that, whatever. These are real bots that are working on this platform, okay? Now, and the reason why I say that is because you can trace every trade that they're doing in the back office. You can go and copy and paste it and go to the actual exchange and go over there and check it and verify it for yourself. That's why the reason why I was so excited about it. Not only that, they have two different bots, okay? They have a community bot where everybody can get into the bot, everybody, you know, do their thing, whatever. And then they have their own personal bot where you can spend $5,000 and get your own personal bot if that's what you want to do and take control over all your cryptocurrency. They're going to show you exactly how to set it up, put your API keys in, and do everything of that nature, okay? I will be getting that bot very soon, so don't sleep on me. I will get it very soon, and I will give you the results on it, all right? But for now, I'm just gonna let the community bot do its thing for me. And I mean, like I said, the payouts ain't huge, but this is something that you can just set in the background and let run for you, and you build this thing up as you go. especially if you guys out there are building teams and you know how to, you have a lot of people that's rocking and rolling with you, then you can definitely pump this thing and put it out there and let people understand what you have going on. All right. And so that's how you have to manage it. Okay. Now, I don't have any data right now because I've only been in this thing for a week. I got in last Monday. Okay. Well, about a week and a half. I got in last Monday. And what happened, I didn't know that the plans started on Saturday. Okay. So the plans do start on Saturday. So don't get all your, get your panties in a bunch. If you put your BTC in and the next day you don't see any profits coming in, okay? If you don't see any profits, that's because on Saturday is when everything starts over, okay? Every Saturday. So what happens is you'll be getting paid out a ROI Monday through Friday, okay? Then on Saturday, you will be able to withdraw your money if you choose to, okay? You can definitely do that if you want. I'm not doing that. I'm compounding everything. If you come over here, you click on your your name right here. It's going to bring down a drop down bar. You go to your setting, and then it's going to allow you to put on compound commissions or compound compound your earnings, and it's going to do that every Saturday. All right, so you can compound and build it. But yeah, this thing just kicked me out real fast, but let me log back in, do that. And I would show you that on camera, but the only reason why I'm not going to show you that on camera is just for the simple fact that there's personal information back there. I don't want anybody to see. But all you have to do is you come here, you click on the icon. It's going to drop the drop down bar, and then it's going to let you go in there, and then it's going to have your your profits that come in that accumulate. So all the profits that come in, like this little bit of Bitcoin right here, once Saturday comes, then it's going to roll over. Then it's going to make this number bigger. Okay. It's going to make this number bigger because I'm compounding everything. All right. Now, the thing is that you have your initial that you put into the platform is going to be locked up for 60 days. OK, it's going to be locked up for 60 days. So I just want you to be aware of that. All right. So after your 60 days is up, you have every opportunity to pull your whole initial out or whatever you want to do. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep mine in because, like I said, we're dealing with crypto. It's risk capital, anything that you put into these platforms. So it's up to you on how you want to do it. Never put in money that you can't afford to lose. We all know that. I shouldn't have to keep saying that, but you all know how this game is. But I have confidence in this platform. That's the reason why I'm talking about it and putting it out there for the masses, okay? Now, I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you if it's going to be around for the next 2 or 3 years. I can't tell you if it's going to be around for the next 6 months. I can't guarantee that, but I'm in it. I'm in it to win. So at the end of the day, I'm going to do me regardless. So if you guys want to take a look at this, you know where the link is, and the link is going to be in the description below the video. All right. Now, we can go down here. Let's look at the products. And like I was trying to tell you, see what's going on. You have the community bot right here, which is you come in with 100 euros, which would be about $126 or something like that. And then you can go up to $50,000 euro. So this is based in euro. So you have to come in, you choose your plan that you want or whatever, and you put it in. This is your personal bot right here that I was telling you about. That's 5,000 euro, and you can get this and you can do your own arbitrage and then exchange and do whatever you want. And you have a 2-year license on that, and you have 6% uni level commissions up to 10 levels deep. So you can do Bitcoins and altcoins. Okay, so you can definitely do your thing. Just like over here, same thing. You get up to 30% ROI on a month, up to, so it's not guaranteed. And then you can earn 70% of your contribution yield. So that's gravy too. So, and then also you got your 2% uni-level commissions up to 10 levels if you want to do that. And you can withdraw your capital payments every single Saturday. All right. So I just kind of went over that. And you will have a 1% fee that you'll have to pay when you come through. That's the payment gateway or whatever. All right. So that's just how that goes. Here goes the community bot or whatever. They're gonna show you a bunch of trades in the background streaming and things like that. Of course, everybody's gonna say, well, I don't trust this, but you can definitely take a screenshot of this and go back and pair compare it to any one of these, any one of these exchanges right here, and it'll show you that those trades are being done. And like I said right here, it said the community bot launch remaining time before closing cycle is Friday 23:59 Madrid time. So we have 3 days, 10 hours and 25 minutes before the cycle starts over. Like I said, it starts over every Saturday. All right. So that's when you're going to be able to get your payouts. All right. So just keep that in mind. Just make sure you keep that in mind. They also have your video tutorials over here to show you how to set up your API bots once you get that, if that's what you choose to do. You got your finances, just kind of show you what's going on. Like I said, mine just started taking off this Saturday, so I'm just showing you that I am earning. I joined June 16th. Mine just started on the 22nd, so these are my earnings that's been coming in on a daily basis. See 0.65, 0.82, 0.94. So that's what that's rocking with. So I'm just letting you know that it is paying me. Money is coming into the platform. There's no hoopla. There's no faking the funk. There's no fake screenshots. This is really me doing what I do. So if you guys are interested, you know where that link will be in the description below. Come over here and check it out. You can definitely log in for free just to come back and check the back office. So of course, go do your own research and due diligence. There's hundreds of videos on YouTube that you can definitely go out and check out if that's what you want to do, and make sure this is something that you want to get in. But most definitely, like I said, look, I don't have anybody in this platform. There's no commission payouts. There's no nothing. This is ground zero. I'm in it. We ready to rock and roll. So I highly recommend that you come over here and check this out, guys. I'm telling you to come check it out. But if not, it's all good. We're gonna make money regardless. Those of you that want to sit on the fence, don't sit on the fence too long. You better get in and get this thing rocking and rolling, because the longer you sit down and you watch us make money, the more money you lose. All right. So just understand that concept. All right. It's either you jump on the train or you get ran over, and that's just how it is. But if you guys are interested, like I said, the link will be in the description below, and all the other programs that I'm in, if you want to check those out. I'm going to do individual videos on everything that I'm in right now at the current moment. I don't have a big portfolio right now. I'm dealing with only 3 platforms at the moment. Just trying to find some more long-term sustainable platforms, so that way when people get in, we can be around for a little bit longer and try to get as much crypto as we can before everything starts getting regulated and things of that nature. You know the deal. You know how it go. But you know what it is, guys. It's your boy Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income, and you know I'll check you guys in the next video. Holla, peace, love, peace. I'll see you guys later.